Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off pop-up blockers. This is a common problem when new students start because using Firefox you need to make sure that every single website that you open up you need to turn off the pop-up blockers. So as you log into your K-12 account, what you're going to do is click on this lock button up at the top, and you're going to look at the permissions, and it says you haven't granted this site any special permissions. So I'm going to click on the arrow and then click on the more information button. Then I'm going to go over to the permissions, and then I'm going to look and see and go down to open up pop-up windows. And automatically it says to use default, and then I'm going to click allow. That's all you need to do. You don't need to save it. Then you could just X out of it. So now when you click on it, it says open pop-up windows. So we'll log in to your account, and then what you're going to need to do is, again, you're going to need to click on this button, and you're going to have to make sure that it does allow pop-up windows. So it should be allowed, and then you'll be okay. So you always just need to make sure that you check that you have the permissions to open pop-up windows. This will be a really big thing to check, especially when you're logging in for Class Connect sessions. The Blackboard link will come up as a pop-up. So if you don't turn this permissions on, you won't be able to get into Class Connect sessions. So just make sure that you have that. You click that arrow button and then it says open pop-up windows. Thank you guys. Bye.